Hi students, today from your second topic, that is number work, we'll see the introduction of 7-digit numbers. Teacher said, now we shall learn about 7-digit numbers. Suppose 10 farmers borrow rupees 1 lakh each from a cooperative bank. Then how much is the total loan given by the bank to them? Ajit replied, we must find out what is 10 times 1 lakh. That is, we multiply 1 lakh by 10. That means we write 1 zero after the number to be multiplied. Ajay replied, 1 lakh multiplied by 10 is equal to 10 lakh. Teacher said, this becomes a 7-digit number. We read it as 10 lakh. We must make one more place for the 10 lakhs to the left of the lakhs place. In Western countries, the term million is used. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Thus, 10 lakh is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Means on 1 6 zeros are there. 10 lakh means 1 million. Keep in mind. Just as we read 10,000 and thousands together, we read 10 lakhs and lakhs together. So we read 1835 as 18 lakh 35,614. Now we'll see some more numbers from your book. Here they given the 7-digit numbers and they had written these numbers in words. First number we will see, that is 3125745. We will read it as 31 lakh 25,745. Second number is 910006. If you will see here tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place numbers are absent. So we had written 0 in the place of that numbers. So the number we have to read it as 91 lakh and 6. Third number is 6300988. This number is reading as 63 lakh 988. Now next number is 88000400. We have to read it as 88 lakh 400. Now next number they given in words and we have to write these numbers in figures. 72 lakh and 95. If you will see here, they given the number in the place of lakhs, means 10 lakhs, and remaining in the place of unit and tens. So middle 100, 1000 and 10,000 numbers are absent. So we have to write in that place of number 0. So the number we have to write as 72000095. Now next number is 70 lakh 2300. So this number is written as 70023000. Maybe you understood very well how to write the 7-digit numbers. So by using this information, you have to solve problem set 4. Now next to that, the point is the expanded form of a number and the place value of digits. When going from right to left, the number's value is increasing. Means suppose here in the number 27,65,043, 3 is in the unit place and the number 2 is in the 10 lakhs place. So the value is increasing. Now we will see one by one the digit, their places and their place values. So the number 27,65,043. The digits of these numbers are 2, 7, 6, 5, 0, 4, 3. Here if you will see, the value of 3 is units. So place value also 3. Next to that, the number is 4. 4 is in the tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. Here there is no any number in the hundred place. So 0 place value 100, but place is 100 but place value is 0 because 100 multiplied by 0, answer comes 0. Now next to that, the number is 5. 5 is in the thousand place. So the place value of 5 is 5000. Next 6. 6 value is 60,000 and the place is 10,000. So the value is 60,000. 7 is in the place of lakhs. So the place value of 7 is 7 lakh and 2 is in the place of 10 lakhs. So the place value of 2 is 20 lakh. Now Hamid said, when we write the place value of the digits as an addition, we get the expanded form of the number. So the expanded form of the number 27,65,043 is 20 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 3. Teacher said, now tell me the expanded form of 95 lakh 4,506. Sony replied, 90 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 0 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 6. Teacher said, good. It can also be written as 90 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 6. Means here they cut the zeros of tens place and 10,000 place. Now write the number from the expanded form that I give you. Teacher has given the number 4 lakh plus 90,000 plus 200. Means Asha replied that this number is 4,90,200. Hence we have 4 in the lakhs place, 9 in the 10,000 place and 2 in the hundreds place. There are no digits in the 10,000 place and in the tens and unit places. Hence we write 0 in those places. Therefore the number is 490,200. Teacher said, tell me the place value of the underlined digit in the number 59,30,478. Here the underlined digit is 5. Sony said, the underlined digit is 5. The digit is in the 10 lakhs place. Hence its place value is 50 lakhs. So 5 will contain 6 zeros. Means 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means 50 lakhs. Now by using this information, you have to solve the problem set 5. Here first question, you have to write the place value of the underlined digits. Second question, you have to write the numbers in the expanded form. Third question, you have to write the place value of each digit from the numbers. And fourth question, you have to form the number from their expanded form. Now they given in your book one box an interesting dice game. Prepare a table with the name of each player as shown below. In front of each name there are boxes to make 7-digit numbers. Now only we have studied 7-digit numbers, means 10 lakh number. Now here they given the table names of the students who are taking part in that game, then the values. Their TL means 10 lakhs, L means lakhs, TTH means 10,000, TH means 1000, H means 100, T means tens place, and U means unit. And you have to write the number formed. Now how to play the game? First they given the game 1. The first player throws the dice and writes that number in any one of the boxes in front of his or her name. You can write only one number in each box, and once it is written, you cannot change its place. The other players do the same till all the boxes are filled and each one gets a 7-digit number. The one with the largest number is the winner. Now, game second is use the same table, but you may write the number you get on throwing the dice in any box in front of anyone's name. The one with the largest number is the winner. Means here you have to find the largest number and that will be the winner of that game. Now third game is the rules are the same as for game 2, but the one with the smallest number is the winner. Just only who will make the smallest number, that is the winner. Now we will see the bigger and the smaller numbers. Hamid said, how do we determine the smaller or bigger number when we are dealing with 6 or 7-digit numbers? 6 digit means lakh and 7 digit means 10 lakh. Teacher said, you have learnt how to do that with 5-digit numbers. The number with the bigger 10,000 digit is the bigger number. If they are the same, we look at the thousands digits to determine the smaller or the bigger number. Now, can you tell how to compare 6 or 7-digit numbers? Hamid said, yes, I can. First, we will look at the 10 lakhs digit. If they are the same, we will look at the digits in the lakhs place. If those are equal, we look at the 10,000 place to tell the smaller or the bigger number, and so on. Besides, we might be able to tell which of the number is bigger just by looking at the number of digits in the each number. Right? Teacher said absolutely. The number with more digits is the bigger number. Now by this information, you have to solve problem set 6. Now we will see introducing crores. We have seen 6-digit numbers, that is lakhs, 7-digit number 10 lakhs. Now we will see the 8-digit number, that is known as crores. Now here they given the biggest 7-digit number, that is 99 lakh 99,999. On adding the number 1 to it, we get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here if you will see, 1 contains 7 times 0. We read this number as 1 crore. The new place created to write this number is called the crores place. From the following examples, you can learn to read 8-digit numbers. Now they given the number 8 4 5 1 2 7 0 6. We will read it as 8 crore 45 lakh 12,706. Next, 5, 6, 1, 6, 3, 5, 8, 9. 5 crore, 61 lakh, 63,589. Now, next number is 60904034. We have to read it as 6 crore 9 lakh 4,034. Now they given something more in the box. On the left of the crores place are the place for 10 crores, that is known as abja, and 10 abja in that order. The place value of each of these is 10 times the value of the one, and it's right. According to the census of the year 2011, the population of our country is 1 abja 21 crore 1 lakh 93,422. Now they given one table here. 3 columns are there in that table. Numbers in words and number of 0 after 1. If we will consider 1, then 1 is alone. In words we are writing ONE1. There are no zeros at all. Now next to that 10, 1 0, 10, TEN 10. Number of zeros after 1 is 1. Next to that is 100, 100. In words 100, and 2 zeros are there in 100. Next 1 and 3 zeros, that is known as 1000. 1000 contains 3 zeros. Then 10000. This is known as 10,000. It contains 4 zeros. Then 100,000. That is lakh. Lakhs contain 5 zeros. Then next to that is 100,000 means 10 lakh. 10 lakh contains 6 zeros. Then 100,000. In words it is known as crore, and it contains 7 zeros. After crores there is 10 crore. 100,000. In 10 crores, 10 crore contains 8 zeros. And after that abja, 1 and 0,000,000,000. That is known as abj. It will contain 9 zeros. Now next they given nice figure. You have to see it in your book. Page number 9. Now we will see. Look, here they showed one picture, and from unit to crores, this tall's picture, it is increasing. Means first place we are counting from the last place, that is known as from the unit place, which is unit. See, we will see these places, units, after that tens, then hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. Maybe you understand it well. Be safe at your home. Solve the exercises or problem sets depend on this information. And bye.